If you're looking for a delicious cookie with a little bit of everything, then you've got to try my monster cookie recipe. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Hey, you're watching Preppy Kitchen, where I, John Cannell, teach you how to make delicious homemade dishes to share with your family and friends. These cookies will be ready before you know it, so let's get started. First off, we're gonna measure out 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour. That's 180 grams. Look at that. I love how 1 cup of flour that you can fit in is more than 1.5 cups. 3/4 teaspoon of baking soda. You have to let me know in the comments if you already know what a monster cookie is or if you had them before. They're really fun, but I feel like it's a bit regional. You let me know. I'm adding 1/2 teaspoon of salt. If your salt is fine grained, add 1/2 teaspoon or 1/4. Grab a whisk, and we're gonna whisk it up. Scale is done, but this bowl isn't. We're gonna add 1 cup of rolled oats into here. These give it a wonderful chew and texture, and I just love it. Mix those in. Now we're gonna set it aside and cream our butter and peanut butter and sugars up. To your mixer fitted with a paddle attachment, we're gonna add 1 cup of butter, that's 226 grams, and 1 cup of smooth peanut butter. But if you love crunchy, you can use crunchy. I've told some people this before, but my favorite snack growing up was toast with butter and then crunchy peanut butter on top. Oh, that's a chef's kiss moment. Our other favorite unattended snack were cream cheese tortillas. You just heat the tortilla up on the burner and then a little brick of cream cheese, not a whole brick, but a good slice of cream cheese in the middle. Ah, so good. That should be a whole video. Right, I'm gonna measure out 1 cup of peanut butter.
Do a whole John's old snacks.
Yeah, John's snacks. Oh my gosh, we also used to have that machine that's like a clamshell, and you could put bread in there and make your own fake pizzas. That was good too. Okay, 1 cup of smooth peanut butter. Sorry for the reminiscing. These are kitchen sink cookies. They have a little bit of everything, but they are delicious. We're gonna cream this up until it's nice and smooth now. And of course, everything's combined well. This smells like magic. Oh my gosh, give me a piece of bread. All right, we're gonna add 2/3 cup of granulated sugar and 3/4 cup of packed brown sugar. You have to pack it in there. So the sugar can go in first. And then we're gonna pour in the granulated sugar. 2/3 cup. Let's get this nice, light, and fluffy. We will scrape the bowl down probably, it always happens. Let's scrape that bowl down. Butter, sugar, peanut butter's all mixed. I'm gonna crack 2 eggs into a small bowl. No shells in the cookie. It's not the crunch we want. This is a very small bowl, but it'll do. All right, mix it up. Add 2 eggs in, 1 at a time. Ooh. It's looking luscious and glossy already. Now, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. You can go down to 1 if you want. Now it's time to add our flour oat mixture so we can dump that in and then mix on low until almost combined. Mix on low. It's basically there, so right now it's time for the M&Ms and the chocolate chips. Oh, I love that sound. And 1 cup of M&Ms and 1/2 cup of chocolate chips. Mix that in just a little bit. Look at that monster. Mix in any errant bits of flour, butter, etc. Distribute those M&Ms and chocolate chips. And now we're gonna cover this up and chill for about 20 minutes to overnight, and then scoop them up and bake them up. We'll be right back. Once your dough is chilled, it's time to scoop it out. So use an ice cream scoop or even spoons and just portion out roughly 2 tablespoon-sized balls of dough. Give them a really quick roll and place them onto your lined baking sheet. They'll spread a bit, so give them at least 3 inches of room in between. You can scoop and bake all the dough right now, or bake a batch and freeze the rest for later. In either case, roll all the dough out, freeze the dough that you're not gonna use just flat like this, and then place that in a freezer bag. That way you can bake cookies on demand and not have to worry about defrosting the whole batch. If you want to gussy these cookies up, go ahead and add just a couple M&Ms and the chocolate chips right on top. They'll be very pretty and just cheerful. These cookies will bake for 10 to 15 minutes at 350. More bake time means a crisper cookie, so it's totally up to you. Let me know what you prefer. Out of the oven, they smell amazing, and if you like this video, check out my cookie playlist. That cookie is a chef's kiss. Mwah! The chocolate, the peanut butter, the oats, it's all coming together and making cookie magic. I'll see you in the next video.